Welcome to my channel. I'm a MSc Organic Chemistry student from Dayanand Science College, Latur. Today's topic is geometry of molecules. The definition of geometry. It is the definite relative arrangement of bonded atoms around the central atom in a molecule is known as the geometry of the molecule. It is a spatial arrangement in a 3D or in a 360-degree angle obtained or space. So there are the types of geometry. First is regular geometry and distorted or irregular geometry. Regular geometry is it has equivalent bonds. It has central atom bonded to two or more similar atoms. There are no lone pairs in the valence shell around the central atom. For example, BeF2, BF3, CH4, SF6, etc. The irregular or distorted geometry has some repulsive interaction between the electron pairs and which are of no equal magnitude. So there will be no equality in bond lengths, or there will be some distortion in bond angle in a molecule. This is due to distortion is mainly due to because they may not they may not have the central atom bonded to all similar atoms, because it arises difference in the electronegativity, and one or more lone pairs of electron around the central atom is present. Because of that, because of only these two reasons, there is a distortion in geometry. Next, VSEPR, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. With this theory, we can find the geometry and shape of the molecule. It says that the electron pairs repulsion is seen, that is bond pair and lone pair around the central atom. The geometry of the molecule depends upon the number of valence shell electron pairs, whether it may be bond pair or lone pair. The repulsive force magnitude is of order. Lone pair has more repulsion than lone pair and bond pair interaction than bond pair and bond pair interaction. So this kind of interaction will show a greater bond angle, and by this order we get decreasing bond angle due to the electronic repulsion. Now we are going to come towards the main part, that is the geometry and the shape of the molecule, how to decide. So let's see. So first is the first column is number of bonds, that is electron pairs, whether it may be bond pair or lone pair around the central atom. These are the hybridized orbitals, types of electron pair, geometry and bond angle and shape, and examples. Firstly, if there are two bond pairs or two bonds, then it we see here sp hybridization. And in this we have two bond pairs which are like this AB2 type, and the bond angle between this BAB is 180 degree. It is a linear shape, it is a straight line, it is a linear shape. Geometry and shape both are same. Example, BeF2, HgCl2, ZnCl2. Here we are seeing this, how to bring this angle by a simple calculation. The spatial arrangement is a 360 degree, and there are two hybridized orbitals s and p. Therefore 360 divided by 2 we get 180. So 180 degree is the bond angle between this type of molecule. Next we'll see for three electron pairs. first type that is 3 electron pairs or hybridization also 3, that is 1 of S and 2 of P, sp2. 360 degree divided by 3 hybridized orbitals, we get 120 degree bond angle in this molecule. So for 3 bond pairs, there are three cases of the 3 hybridized orbitals. First is 3 bond pairs, that is 3 bonds. The bond angle comes 120 degree. It shows an equilateral triangle geometry, and shape is triangular planar because it is a triangle, and it comes, all these are coming in one plane. We see all these atoms in one plane, hence is planar. Examples are this. We see here all neutral molecules, but these are some not, they are not neutral molecules. We see here negative charge. One can get any confusion about this, that it is having lone pair, but we are seeing here 3 bond pairs. These two negative charges are is seen in the complex, is completely on the complex of carbon CO3 carbonate ion. It is not only on carbon or oxygen, it is the charge on the complex, not lone pairs. So it is this is an example of 3 bonded pair molecule. Next, it has second possibility is there must be 2 bond pair and 1 lone pair. 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. We have seen that this lone pair and bond pair causes some interaction repulsion, and due to which there is distortion in the geometry, and the bond angle, which is this is the standard bond angle 120 degree, it gets distorted here, and we get geometry is V shape, and this shape is the same, trigonal planar. For the difference between geometry and shape is that in geometry we don't consider the lone pairs at all, but in shape we have to compare or see all lone pairs and the bond pairs also. So this is the difference between geometry and shape. These are the examples. Next is the, if we have 4 bond pairs or 4 electron pairs or 4 hybridized orbitals, that is sp3. Here comes 90 degree comes the bond angle, standard bond angle. So first condition is of 4 bond pairs. We see here 4 bond pairs, AB4 type, but the angle here is 109.5 degrees, 5 angle. This is an exceptional case in tetrahedral geometry of this type. This is one of the exceptional case of the standard angle coming from this hybridization. So tetrahedral, it has shape and geometry tetrahedral. Tetrahedral means it has 4 faces. Now if we see, if we join all the atoms which are present at B, then we get this one face, this is the second face, and third face for this, and fourth face for this. So it has 4 faces, that is a tetrahedron. Next we have second case is we have 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Now how to calculate which atoms have lone pair? The formula for calculation of lone pair is L equals to n minus m minus d, where n is 1 by 2 v plus m plus v plus m minus c plus a, where L is the number of lone pairs and n is number of hybridized orbitals, m is the monovalent atom, number of monovalent atom, and d is number of divalent atom. So, and v here is the number of electrons in valence shell, m we know, and c is charge on cation, and a is charge on anion. So for example, if we take CO3 minus 2, for CO3 minus 2, first we have to calculate n equals to 1 by 2. To calculate L, we required n first. So number of hybridized orbital is n equals to 1 by 2. Now V is the number of valence shell electrons of the central atom. The central atom here is carbon. Carbon has valence shell electrons like this 4. So it here 4 is the V value, plus number of monovalent atoms. Now here it is attached to oxygen. Oxygen is a divalent atom, therefore monovalent atom number is 0. Minus the charge on cation, here no cation is present, so 0. And plus number charge on anion. Anion here is having, this is an anion, here it has 2 charge, so we have to write only 2, not the -2 here. So it will come 3. 4 plus 0 4, 4 minus 0 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 by 2 3. So to calculate L, we have to now do N minus M minus D. This is monovalent atom, divalent atoms. All is monovalent is 0 and divalent atoms are 3, because oxygen is divalent. We know oxygen is divalent, so it comes 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. So lone pair of electrons is 0 on CO3 minus. This is one of the example. Next we are going to see here the 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair interaction. 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair is given here. It is a pyramidal geometry and tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape we have seen. This is a pyramidal geometry. If we connect this all atoms present at the endings at the B position, so it gives a type of pyramid structure. Examples are this. Again we can consider here, no, we are having this anion, they are not lone pairs. Next, because it has the complete charge on the whole molecule. Next, third possibility, 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Here the shape of this atom is, the shape of the molecule is V shape, because in geometry we consider only the bond pairs, and in shape we consider all the lone pairs and the bond pairs. So it gives the regular tetrahedral shape. Example H2O, H2S. Next is the second possibility of four hybridized orbital containing molecule, that is DsP2. This indicates it has a square planar geometry and shape. So as we have calculated in the tetrahedral geometry, bond angle comes 90. This 90 is applied here in the square planar, or it is used, or it has come across in this square planar geometry, that is 90-degree bond angle between this BAB for 4 bond pairs, 1 2 3 and 4 bond pairs, square planar shape and geometry. Example PtCl4, Pt NH3 twice Cl2, cisplatin. This is example of cisplatin. For hybridization 4 5 and 6, you have to see my video in my next video. Till then, see you. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share and subscribe my channel.